We're here with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission talking about some tasty salads. And this salad that we're making here today is actually an award winner from Miss Margaret Miller from Burdett, Kansas. And it's called the Ladies Luncheon Salad. Edamame salad, yum.
I love the name that she came up with. And for everyone that's out there watching, they could be getting their recipes ready for this year's State Fair contest. So think about what you might enter.
Be featured here on 13 News this morning.
Be featured. We'll feature your recipe. What we have here is 2 cups of broccoli that I've just chopped. You're going to add the edamame to this. Yeah, there we go. We'll add that. And that is cooked edamame.
Okay.
So I cooked it and then we cooled it. You've got cranberries that are dried cranberries.
Okay.
We're going to add. Look at all those colors.
It's so hard for me not to eat this already. Okay.
And then this is our ham. And one of the suggestions she made for the ham, which I thought was a good idea, is I took that ham and I just sauteed it in the skillet for just a few minutes to bring out the flavors of the ham. So you could do it either way. And then we have red onion, yeah, and some sunflower kernels there. Great. We'll add that in there, and that's going to give it our crunch. And then we made this dressing, and I put it in this container. Is that shut really good? Okay,
yes. Good.
And this is 4 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar, and you don't have to use it all. We'll let you, but that's okay. That's okay. That's fine.
That's all right. It's going to be a saucy salad.
4 tablespoons of white vinegar and 4 tablespoons of sugar.
You might as well put the rest in there, Denisha. I mean, it's almost all gone.
That's left there. Let's just go ahead and
perfect. But you put that on the stove with some salt and pepper and then heat it and simmer it just till that sugar melts really good. Let it cool. Then I put it in my shaker with half a cup of vegetable oil. That's our soybean product there. And then shake it. Make sure you've got your lid on tight. And then add it here. And then you can let that, put that in the refrigerator and let it chill. It's ready to go. And serve it with our crackers that we made earlier.
The crackers are delicious as well.
Yes, they are.
Who'd have thought homemade crackers, right?
Yeah, I never thought of that. Good idea.
And so easy, right? And then you can make them however you want. And cost-wise, this is a bargain to make these.
It's all stuff that you have in your pantry probably as well.
That's right.
We can find this recipe and more.
KansasSoybeans.org.
Okay, thanks, Charlene. We'll be right back.